Hello everyone, welcome back to forceGalaxy. So today in this video I'm going to share an interview, and this is a fresher level interview. And here when I took this interview, so I did not expected this much number of answers from a fresher, but you will when you look into this video and this interview, then you will also amazed that the fresher is able to answer more than 90% of the questions. So this is really very amazing, and this person is looking for the Salesforce job. And if you know wherever the Salesforce fresher opening is there, so please let us know in this comment section. Okay, so like this we can help each other. Okay, so if in your known, if you have any vacancies related to freshers or a 1+ experience, do let us know in the comment section. Okay, so you can share the mail ID or the company name, whatever. Okay, so now let's start with the interview. So here I have only uploaded the part 1 in which admin related questions were asked, and in coming days I will share the part 2 also, where the development related questions were asked. Okay, so let's start with this interview, and if you have any question related to any of the question which was asked in the interview, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, let's start with the interview.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so the first question will be, tell me something about Salesforce.
Yeah, Salesforce is something which is work on a cloud scenario where we don't need to any external CRM. One type of CRM. Salesforce is one type of CRM tool, much like customer relationship management. And Salesforce was found in 1999.
So yeah, Salesforce is a company, cloud-based software company, which is found in 1999. Okay. Okay, which
Yes.
deals with the cloud-based CRM. CRM means customer relationship management, where a person or a customer can track its client activity and manage all the data related to its organization and all on a single cloud CRM. Okay. And why it is so popular and easy to use? Because it is a cloud-based. Okay, so anywhere a customer can open it, like in his phone itself he can track whatever the activity was going on in his organization, like number of deals open, number of leads open, or how many users are assigned with the number of deals and all. Okay, on the monthly basis or yearly basis, what was his revenue and all. Okay, so
Okay,
everything can be catched at a one place. Like if a person is dealing with number of platforms, other apps also, like Shopify and Sin7 and all other application also, so instead of moving to other application, he can track all the data in it in the CRM itself. Why? Because Salesforce also provide integration with multiple applications. Okay, because of which we are able to gather all the information at one place. And the next you can confirm here or tell him what you have seen, or what you have when you open the Salesforce, or what you have uh, seen here, like number of objects you have seen, number of automations, how we can create. Okay, so these things you can also add here. Okay, about the Salesforce. Okay, so the next question is, tell me about this Salesforce security model.
In Salesforce, there are three types of security model. First one is object level security, record level security, and field level security. In object level security and field level security is maintained by profile and permission set, and record level security is we can give by using OWD, which is sharing setting, then a role sharing rules, manual sharing, and by Apex sharing.
Okay, how we can manage this object level security? What are the different ways here?
By using profiles and permission set.
Okay, what is the difference between both?
Profile is something by which we can do we can decide the user what can do in org or particular organization, and profile is something which gives the access to the group of users, and permissions, and also profile is compulsory for every user which we create in our org, and permission set is optional, and permission set gives the extra permission to any user, like single user. Like when in our organization there are 100 users, and but we want to give one, two, or some few users we want to give access, then which is possible by using permission set. And profile, this is not possible by profile to give any single user. Profile gives the permission to all users.
Okay. Okay, so basically we use permission sets to enhance the access based on
Yes.
its profile access. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's suppose we have accounts and opportunity. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So both are related to each other with master detail, right?
Yes.
So here, if the OWD set for account is private, then what will be the OWD for opportunity? Will it depend upon the its master object, or
Yes.
it can be changed?
If account and opportunity is a relationship is master detail relationship. So account and opportunity become child relationship, child parent child. So the sharing setting is controlled by parent
Okay.
of child. So opportunity has also WD the private.
Okay. So now let's suppose account and contact are there. Okay, both are related with lookup, right?
Yes.
Okay, now
Yes,
here the OWD set for account is public read only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And for contact it is public read and write.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now will I be able to add this manual sharing button on contact?
Yes, ma'am. We can add a manual sharing button on contact, because its related object has permission is OWD is private or read only, and here is account as read only OWD.
Okay, if account also has OWD as public read and write, then
no need to manual, no need to sharing the record. It has already shared.
yeah, so it is already shared, so there is no need of to manually share it. Okay. Okay, so why do we use these role hierarchies?
Role hierarchies are used to give, suppose to give extra access to any user which is in upper level in hierarchy.
Okay, so based on the hierarchies, we can set the access of records. So there is a object, okay, custom object is there, and the OWD for this object is public read only.
Yes.
Okay, and two users are there, user A and user B. Both are in same role, and OWD set as public read only
For both.
For the custom object. For a particular custom object. Okay, so what will happen? Will the user able to see the records of like user A can able to see the record of user B for this object if the OWD set for this object is read only, and both the user are in same hierarchy role. Okay.
Yeah, both users can see each other's record and its own record. Suppose user A record, user A can read and edit, and user B he has read and edit his own record, but he can only read the each other's record.
And can they edit the records also?
No, because OWD is read only.
Okay, so now I want this user B to be able to edit some of the records of user A, like where the status is something ABCD, whatever. If for a particular status I want user B to be able to edit the records of user A, so can we achieve this?
Yes, ma'am.
How?
We need to create role hierarchy, and in role hierarchy we need to place user B in upper level of user A.
No, both are already in the same role.
same role.
Yeah.
Then we need to use sharing rule.
Okay.
By
What type of sharing rule?
owner wise sharing, ma'am.
But if we take this owner wise, then all the records of user A will be editable with user B. So we should move with criteria based. Like if the
Criteria based.
status value is something like this, then only user be able to edit this.
Particular record edit करने के लिए.
Yes. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay. So what are validations rule and why we use them?
Validations rules are used to validate the record while inserting and updating the record in Salesforce.
Okay. So can we validate our records on delete also?
On delete operation?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. We can. Yes, ma'am. We can validate the record.
How if I am deleting particular record? So will the validation rule fire in this case and avoid the deletion?
Yes, we can. We can put some. If we put some criteria to delete or not to delete, then we can achieve this by flow or trigger.
Yeah, for using flows and trigger, this is a different thing. Okay, we can achieve this using flows and trigger, but using validation rule, can we do this?
I have no idea, ma'am, about it, but I will go through this.
Okay, so there is no direct function which will fire on the delete action. Okay, for insert and update, we have actions like if the value is changed and all is change function are already present in this validation rule, right? And the new function is also there. So they both are used to check whether the record is created or updated, and we are easily able to validate our record. But in case of delete operation, there is no such function is available. Okay. Yes. So validation rule.
While
yeah.
Inserting and updating operation. Where okay.
Okay, so what are roll-up summaries?
Roll-up summary. By using roll-up summary, we can roll up the value from child object to the parent object, and we can create roll-up summary in the parent object, which are related with master detail relationship, and we can perform some. We can by using a roll-up summary, we can count the related records as well as sum of amount, max, minimum, this kind of information we can achieve by roll-up summary.
Okay. Okay. So roll-up summaries, when they are available, in which relationship we are able to access these fields?
When we create the relationship between two objects as a master detail relationship.
And what is the difference between master detail and lookup relationship?
Yes, master detail relationship. In master detail relationship, parent and child objects are tightly coupled, and in by lookup relationship, parent and child are loosely coupled. When in master detail relationship, parent is mandatory field, and in lookup, parent is not mandatory. In master, when we delete master, then all related child objects also get deleted. But in lookup relationship, when we delete master, then the child objects also can survive or not delete, and we can create roll-up summary in master relationship. In lookup, we can't create roll-up summary, and in in security model, child object are achieve all the sharing setting or record level security by parent object, but this facility is not available in lookup relationship. And also in master detail relationship, we can create in master in standard objects and custom object, but lookup relationship we can create both by standard object and custom. Means suppose both are standard object, then also we can create custom lookup relationship. But when both are standard object, then we can't create a master detail relationship except some account and opportunity, and some except 2 to 4 objects.
Mhm. Okay, great.
Yes.
Okay, so next let's suppose two objects are there. Okay, and both are connected with master detail relationship. Okay, and the records
Yes.
are already present on both the records. Okay. Now I
Yes, ma'am.
want to convert this master detail relationship to lookup. So can I do this?
Yes, ma'am. We can convert the master detail relationship to lookup relationship by deleting all the roll up summary fields in parent object, and then we can change the data type from master detail relationship to lookup relationship.
Okay, and if the lookup is present and now I want to convert it to master, then
Yes. Then we need to populate all the lookup fields, means all the child parent in all child record. We need to uh, populate all the parent fields, and then we need to change data type from lookup to master detail relationship.
okay, very nice. Okay, now next moving to custom settings. So what is the
Yes,
difference
ma'am.
between custom object and custom settings?
Yes. Uh, custom setting is the setting where we put the easily accessible data and frequently used data. And in custom setting, we can't create tabs. Also, we can't create any page uh, record types, page layout.
Mm-hmm.
Also, we have limitations to create fields and apex trigger, yeah, apex classes. We can't create in custom setting, but and custom objects are the uh, we can create all things which are record types, page layout, validation rules, any no restriction of creation of field. But here we can't create lookup field in custom setting, master data relationship. There are pick list values, pick list fields. There are restrictions to create multiple some of the fields, creation of fields.
Okay, so what are the different types of custom settings we have?
Yes, there are two types of custom setting. First one is list type setting, list custom setting, and second is hierarchical custom setting.
Okay, when to use list and when to use hierarchy.
Mm, when we want to just easily access it, we need to easily access data, and if we no need to provide show the records on the basis of profiles or users, then we can go with custom setting, list custom setting. But if we need to show the data on the basis of user or profile, then we need to go with hierarchical.
Okay, so can you explain me the custom metadata? What are they and
Yes,
how
ma'am.
they are different from custom settings?
Yes, custom metadata is the more than custom setting and less than custom object, and we can deploy deploy the records in by using custom metadata, and we can create record types, page layout, and we can create more fields also in custom metadata. And when we query the query to get data from Salesforce, then these are not count against the SOQL.
Okay. Okay, what are page layouts and record types?
Page layout is the by using page layout we can organize the UI, user interface, and we can manage the related lists, custom which we want to show, which fields. Also, we can uh, we want to if we want to which one for field which we want to give access, like read only, or if we want to make field require, then also we can do that by using page layout. Also, we can create sections, blank spaces.
Okay. So can you explain me any of the using any example when do we need these record types, or what is the purpose of this, or the different
Yes, ma'am.
page layouts? Why do we need?
If we want to um, show the different page layouts for different users on the basis of pick list with the help of pick list value on the basis of profiles, then we need to record types, and this is possible by using record types.
Okay. Okay. Any other benefit of these record types? It provides us different page layouts. Okay. And anything else?
On the basis of profiles, we can show for different data or different fields.
Yeah, different
For the
record
user.
types. We can settle or arrange this visibility of record types. Okay. So how they are helpful in case of pick list record types?
When we create record types,
Mm-hmm.
then there is option to which suppose in pick list field we have multiple pick list field and we have five options. Then there is option to select which, if we want to three, if we want to two fields we want to show, then that's we can put, and only that fields are show we can show by using.
Okay. What are formula fields?
Formula fields are read-only fields which we can't edit the formula fields, and which is the formula fields are not saved in database. Means its value is not saved in database. Only the expression is saved to the database. Which
Okay.
we
Great. Note the values are not stored, only the expressions are stored in the database.
yes.
Okay. Have you worked on flows also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the different types of flows we have?
We have 5 types of flow. First, screen flow, auto launch flow, record triggered flow, platform event triggered flow, and schedule triggered flow.
Okay. When to use which flow?
When we want to create user interface, and then we can create a screen flow, and if we want to perform some actions on when the record is created, updated, or deleted, then we need to use record triggered flow, and when some platform event is received, then we need to use platform event triggered flow, and if we want to perform some actions on at some specific time or specific time interval, then we need to use schedule triggered flow, and if we want to screen flow is invocable by screen flow is not called itself. We need to call by using another, so we can call the screen flow by using a record triggered flow.
Can you tell me about the cascade delete? What it is in Salesforce?
Cascade delete means which is available in master detail relationship. When we delete the master object, then all the related objects also deleted. It's called as the cascade delete.
Okay. So like suppose account record is there and the record is also having its related contact. Okay.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the related opportunity is also there. Okay. Now I have deleted this account record. Okay.
Yeah.
So it now the related contact and opportunity will also going to get deleted, right? So now
Yes, ma'am.
now moving to the recycle bin, I have undeleted this account record. Okay.
Yes.
So now will the contact and opportunity record also get back to the Salesforce?
Yes, ma'am. When we undelete the account record or restore the account record, then all the cascade deletes, which are all the related objects, are restored, which which are deleted when the account is deleted.
Okay.
Account was deleted.
So far, very nice, excellent. So, do you want me to move to development also?
Yes, ma'am.